Stratford, coffee on my knee. Sat nav screaming, still I miss the scheme. Cones in a chicane, lane just disappears. Car in front, brakes laid, my life in my mirrors. These poles of Trafford keep swallowing my dreams. Wheels hit the crater, spill my tea on the seat. I'm swerving through chaos, from Old Trafford to the Keys. These balls of Trafford are taking bits of me. White van warrior cuts across the line. Indicator, no, must have been a sign. Temporary lights that never turn to green. Roadwork since last year, still the same old scene. These poles of Trafford keep swallowing my dreams. Wheels hit the crater, spill my tea on the seat. I'm stuck at the roadworks, from Urmston to St. Lee's. These poles of Trafford are taking bits of me. One day I'll find a smooth stretch of road, cruise past the cones like it